The Supreme Court, after the 7-judge bench ordered electoral body the IEBC to allow NASA restricted access to its servers and the election results transmission system for scrutiny. But as our political affairs reporter Moremi Mwangi now tells us, the scrutiny will happen under the keen observation of an ICT expert from the judiciary. 2 ICT experts are picked by the court and a maximum of 2 agents for every party in the court case.
The altercation at the Supreme Court main gate as opposition leader Raila Odinga, his deputy Kalonzo Musyoka and co-principals Musalia Mudavadi and Moses Wetangula arrived to hear their presidential poll petition challenging President Kenyatta's re-election. The police officers had blocked NASA security teams outside the gate. A standoff whose resolution had to take a firm stand by Odinga. But even then, the NASA security team had to be disarmed soon after passing the gate. This altercation was preceded by the morning ruling, where the 7-judge bench partly granted NASA's prayer to access and scrutinize servers of electoral body IEBC and to audit the results transmission system.
It is our order that the petitioners, as well as the third respondents, shall be granted a read-only access, which includes copying, if necessary, information relating to the number of servers in the exclusive possession of the first respondent.
As we said when we were responding to this application, the Commission has absolutely nothing to hide.
In fact, it enabled us to crystallize our case as a result of this order.
NASA had sought from the Supreme Court unfettered access to logs of any servers hosted by or on behalf of the IEBC for the purpose of the presidential election and to audit all presidential results declaration documents in addition to IEBC's technology, including the KIEMS kits and the website portal. In their verdict, the judges ordered IEBC to supply NASA with specific GPRS location for each KIEMS kit used in the polls between the 5th and the 11th of August, and certified copies of Forms 34A generated across 40,800 polling stations, Forms 34B from the 290 constituencies. The judges also ordered IEBC to give a list of all its firewalls without disclosure of the software versions and to disclose the number of servers under its possession and to open the said servers for read-only access.
And 2 independent IT experts appointed by the court shall supervise access to the technology in paragraph 72 above, as such a venue as they may determine in consultation with the parties. A report on that exercise and related issues shall be filed by the said officer and experts by 5 p.m. on Tuesday, 29th August 2017.
Thank you for the ruling. We need a copy as soon as possible so that we can give it to the technical team that would assist the third respondent, even comprehend what came from the court. It would appear that simultaneous processes will be going on.
The IEBC had earlier lamented that opening the servers for scrutiny would make the system vulnerable to manipulation and likely interference of the data therein, which could compromise the security of IEBC's data for future electoral undertakings, an outcry which did not escape the judges' minds.
So the wording is very, very clear. A read only with leave to copy. So that we don't want the issues, somebody saying, look, we can't give you this because it will compromise. We are very, very careful with the wording of the order.
Now, while the order for scrutiny of the IEBC servers is a partial win for NASA, the next few hours between now and 5 p.m. on Tuesday are specifically important for the Odinga and Kalonzo legal teams as NASA combs the IEBC system for additional evidence to buttress their petition against President Kenyatta's re-election. Moremi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.
Away from the Supreme Court, members of Parliament elect affiliated